Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a turbo mode detector. And basically, what turbo mode is it speeds up the project a lot. It makes the project like speed up a lot. So, for example, let me just go on Scratch really quickly, and let me go on any project. Like, for example, let me go on this project, and now let me just turn on turbo mode. Right now it's like regularly fast and all that. So now let me just do this and click keep a shift and do flag, and now it's going much more fast. As it's going way more fast, and because you can see like the dog over here is like going way faster than before. And yeah, so what you want to do is I've already created one. Go on Scratch, obviously. Go on Create. And then now what you want to do is you want to drag a no one flag select actually drag it, but just to make it easier, I'm gonna make a new block, and I'm gonna name it detector. I'm gonna name it detector, and that's great. Yeah, everything got stuck on my mouse, so I have to take it off, and then oops, okay, and then now 1 second, you want to do what you want to do is get a reset timer, and now actually let's do a let me just show you the timer. In fact, click for reset timer, and now let me turn on turbo mode. Alright, actually turbo mode kind of goes like a little too fast, and sometimes probably the timer might go a little bit higher. When reset timer, I'm just gonna repeat something like, I don't know, 5. Repeat 5. Move 0 steps. Repeat my move 0 steps, and then I'm just gonna change this. Repeat 5 moves 0 steps, and then you want to do get a if then else, and which also you want to create a variable. Let's name it it's on like last time before, and then just click OK. It doesn't have to be Fortified only or a cloud variable. And now what you want to do is go to control, and 1 second. You want to go to sensing, and you want to get a timer, and you want to go to operators, and you want to get a greater or actually just to be more safe a little bit, just to be a little bit more safe, I'm gonna get a equal to, and then put this equal to on the left side and put this on the right side. Timer equal to 0.01, or timer is greater than 0.01. Then set it's on to yes, else set it's on to no. And then get a new sprite, and then I'm just gonna name it turbo mode is on, and then make it a better font. And now we want to do is get a when flag clicked forever, if then else. Go to variables, get a it's on equal to false. Oops, false. And switch to costume 1. And I just made that right. I'm gonna make this green. And then I accidentally said on, I mean off. Turbo mode is on, turbo mode is off. There we go. Go false, switch costume to costume 1. Else switch costume to costume 2. And turbo mode is on. Let me turn it off. Or I just do this. Turbo mode is on. Else, let me actually get this. Else if then. Okay, that's good. Turn off turbo mode. Okay. Oh, I see the problem. No, set this to no and set this to yes. Okay, there is something wrong. I'll fix that. Or set this to yes and this to no. Yeah. Turn on let me get on edit, turn on turbo mode. Okay, there is something wrong. Repeat 4 probably. Oh, there. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Oh, yeah. Get this when flag click forever detector and put a detector block in it. The turbo mode is on and it should say turbo mode is off. No, yes. Yeah, there we go. Yep. Now it's working. Great. Okay. So, let's do And now we can do also make the text look cooler, and by making like I want to make it bitmap for a second and change to the next costume. I'll show you. So for that, well, we're gonna have to make a block. I'm just gonna give it a funny name, bitty mappy mappy, and then bitty mappy, and then let's drag this here. Forever if it's on equal node, and also what you want to do is go to looks, change pixelate effect by 50, switch to caution 2, and change pixel 8 by -50, and that's gonna be the same for the other part. Oop. Mm, actually this will kind of break it, so actually no. Actually what's going to happen is that now it's forever checking it, and then definitely many problems are going to be there, and yeah, and I probably might not share it because I already shared one. I'm just making a tutorial on how to make it. And anyways, I'll see you in my next video, guys.